Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I have here a 2007 Volkswagen Jetta equipped with the 2.5 liter 5-cylinder engine, and that gives me chance to show you how to inspect and or replace engine air filter. That engine air filter housing, unfortunately, it's part of this engine cover or the engine silencer as they call it, and that takes a bunch of steps to remove that. I made different video on it, so you can see it on this channel, or just remove this sensor, right, disconnect or remove, disconnect the MAF sensor, move this clamp towards here so it can stay there and this will become loose, remove these two bolts which are Torx T20, and that allows you to lift this cover in each corner right up. It's moving it upwards, so every single corner. So this is what you will see when you get that cover out of the vehicle. And here will be the view when you turn it upside down. And to get to this engine air filter, you will be removing 1, 2, 3 and 4 Phillips screws. There are actually 5 of them. I apologize. And there are even numbers at them. It really is marked. Should probably use the power tool for this to speed it up. Sorry for that. But yeah, you will just see that engine air filter in a second. Now, if I really release the 5 screws correctly, I should be able to lift it, pivot it towards to myself. And finally, voila, we can find out if that engine air filter was maintained, right, and if it's in the good condition. This is the clean side, so we have to take it out to see the dirty side. But I will say this is average. This is not clean, but it's also not in like a really bad shape, so I'm happy with this. Here you can see possibly some ordering numbers, right? And for me, I'm putting it back. I just vacuum it really quickly. I'm putting it back because I just bought and I just got delivered this vehicle today. I have no idea even if it's in the good shape. It's a salvage title, so because of that I will put this one back because it's pretty okay condition, right? It tries to fall out, so there must be some grip. And now I need to engage these tabs in the back, which are correctly engaged. I can see it, and I can start screwing down again these 5 screws to install it. And that means now you know how to inspect and replace this engine air filter on the 2.5 liter 5-cylinder Volkswagen engine. Little hint to you, now when I will be putting it back, this whole cover, right, I will put a little bit of silicone grease on these 4 upper grommets, so it's easier to put it on and later to remove it again when I will need to do some service. So thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful, and please subscribe because I will film more about this vehicle in the future on this channel. See you later, my friend.